Okay, so organized religion was formed by people severed from creation. What does that mean? That means that there was a point of life of humans existing and began to use intelligence that is not our innate intelligence, which the Christian religion, the tree of knowledge and the tree of life is what it's talking about, where knowledge, knowing, and ledger mixed together, ledger, which is unnatural communications and unnatural measurement systems, is being taught to be the same as the tree of life, where the tree of life is organic intelligence and knowledge is not organic intelligence. It only exists through devices, measuring devices, and or unnatural communications, which is reading and writing, that's what produces artificial intelligence today. So whenever it's taught to be the same, when the tree of knowledge and the tree of life is taught to be the same and it's not the same, that forms the alter ego. And the alter ego, the false ego, is disconnected from creation and is easily controlled under a state of hypnosis, where if they're going along with continuing to teach that the tree of knowledge and the tree of life is the same, that's the original sin of the devil's possession that they're still under, because there's no reason to still lie. There's no reason to still teach that standard measurements, precise measurement systems that exist from a measuring device, that's not our quantity-based perception of reality, our organic perception of reality. And there's no reason to teach that reading and writing, which is unnatural communications, is the same as our natural communications, where natural communications has to come directly from the creature itself. So what's happening here is that within the fall of man and woman, all the way down, you got many stories, you got true patterns and false patterns mixed up in the religion, but all the way down to Noah, where Noah, God wiped out the world, so-called God, what's taking place within this religion, not source intelligence. A story of wiping out the world, and then Noah using measurement systems, artificially induced measurement systems, to build the ark, and then that happening and taking place. But then if you also look where it says, where God says, you shall surely die, to Adam and Eve, if you look at Noah, the first generation, it goes from 800 years of life expectancy all the way down to 200 years, and then now we're at 70 or 80 years life expectancy, and that's because of a concentrated growth of family that still was using knowledge, and that's the reason why that happened. So what's happening today is that people are having difficulties with recognizing that truth and then connecting Jesus and or God to truth, and why should we still lie?